Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is a manifestation of light. This means to me that you've come up with a great idea, invention, creation, a new way of living, something that's going to bring ease and prosperity, abundance to your life, but also help bring a service to the rest of the world that not only that we want, that we need. Therefore, you're going to be successful, sustain, and elevate to the next level. So whatever this idea is, write it down. Make a blueprint, pink print, timeline, and make sure that you meet these deadlines. It's time to act, baby. You have the great energy. You have the go. I see the beauty within me and my intellect. I grow and develop my inner self with confidence, harmony, with light, and then with beauty. Because you have beautiful thoughts and you have beautiful energy to actually, what's the word? Execute. Yes, execute your blessings and your thoughts. I free myself from negativity. My heart transforms into something beautiful and attracts all. My intellect shines because I'm a genius, and my inner light grows. Your inner light grows, you become stronger, therefore you can maintain bigger, larger blessings. It's going to feel like a feather, not like a ball and chain. Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ wants to bless you with abundance and with more. So continue to grow and have confidence in this new idea and the light within yourself. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself, and I love you too.